Thunderbirds. We got two of them right now that we're working on. This one is the focus today. And I thought this would be kind of interesting and might be helpful to you as to how you take a car apart so when you get ready to put it back together, you can find all the parts. So one thing we do is we buy these simple tags like this on Amazon. They come in boxes of, I don't know, 100 and some. We mark on there what they are, where they go, which side they go on. And then we keep them in a barrel. And then in the barrel, we make a list of all the things that are in here. So when you walk up to this barrel and you're looking for a part, you don't have to take the barrel empty to find what's inside of there. The other thing that we do, we use up freezer bags, and you can see this whole thing is full, and each part that's put in there also has been marked, and we write on there right, left, front, rear, all that type of stuff, so that hopefully if somebody follows along here from the guy that took it apart, it's pretty much ABCs as to where each part goes. And that's how we do when we work on whether it's a restoration or just repairs like this. We're taking this car apart to renew most of the stuff that's there because the car's set for a while. It's really in pretty good shape, but the stuff's old and the rubber's dry. So we're putting all new bushings and bearings wherever we need them, shocks. We took the motor out, and I'll show you over here. Let's back up if we can. You can see it's been all painted up, and we powder coated the exhaust manifolds, painted all the brackets, and got it all together. We're waiting on the screen for the oil pump pickup. Then we'll paint this and put it in, and then we'll be ready to drop the motor back in. We've already painted the engine bay. Well, you can see up in there that all this yellow right up in here is all fresh and new. So this has all been cleaned up and put back together. And then if you scan down here and look at these parts, you can see that there's a lot of dirt on them. We've just removed them. We're going to get them cleaned up and painted. So when this is done, underside of this, and the top side for that matter, is going to look great. That's kind of what we do when we take a car apart here. It takes a little bit of time, but it's thorough, and it's easier to find stuff if you mark it when you take it off. And that's my tip on this. Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair.